Thanks for joining us on this week's High School Sports Insider. It's time to hit the road for this week's Shining Star. And once again, the Ohio Lottery is our co-pilot. We made the trip to Cincinnati to meet Grace Jacobs, a leader in basketball, soccer, and softball. But of course, she's a star in school too. That is why Grace Jacobs is this week's Ohio Lottery Partners in Education Shining Star.
There's never a wasted moment in Grace Jacobs' day. She's a 3.8 student at Madeira High School and was part of a girls' basketball team that finished the season with a 21-5 record.
I think probably the secret to Grace's success is that she doesn't waste any time. Just like I said, in class where she never stops writing, never stops working, she's also, anytime she's got a spare moment in study hall or before school or after school, she's always doing something.
I definitely have to work hard for it. Like, I have to study a lot, but I don't know, I don't try not to procrastinate too much, and like when I get home I have to do my homework and study.
When she isn't playing a sport or studying, you can find Grace participating in a number of school programs.
I'm a part of a lot of clubs, Key Club, Spanish Club, Unified for Uganda.
Grace is also a teen counselor.
We go down to the middle school, and 5th and 6th graders, we just tell them or teach them about just different things that could come up, like alcohol and drugs and stuff.
Jacobs isn't just helping out in her school, but also in the community as a member of the Key Club.
It's a service club, so they put together service opportunities for us, and we go out in the community and do service.
When her high school chapter comes to an end, Grace will attend Utah State. Since she comes from a big family, that decision was a little bit of a surprise.
I'm pretty close to a lot of my extended family, so they're all like, what? You can't leave us? And I was like, I'll be back some.
Grace hasn't decided what she'll study next year in college, but she does know she'll stay involved on campus.
Grace is a very caring person. I could see her being involved in anything that has to do with working with other people, helping other people, but she could also be a leader in any way she wanted to be, because she's the type of person that gets things done.
Grace is a shining star because someone nominated her, and you can do the same. If you know a student who deserves some recognition, head over to OhioLottery.com. Find the Supporting Education tab at the top, and you'll find all the info. Send in your nomination today.